This video I will show you how to create a group on Instagram within the Android app. You open the Instagram app. To log in, you will see this screen, and on the top right hand side you will see the aeroplane icon. Click that. Then you will have this plus sign. Click that plus sign, and here you can add the people you are following and then send them a collective message. So after the collective message to your people you have added in that group, you will see this screen where you will have the option to name this group. I've just given a name test group. Once your group has been created, how to access that? Just slide your screen towards the right hand side and you will see your groups in this list. Just click that group and you can start the conversation. Now if you want to change the setting of the group, just click the name of that group and it will take you to the uh, details or setting of that group. First option in these settings is that you can mute this group. You can mute video chat with these groups, and you can add more people in that group by clicking the add people. And lastly, if you want to leave this group, you just need to press the leave conversation and your group will be gone. So this is how you can create a group on Instagram within the Android app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.